So hello guys, in this video we'll be going to solve this question number 18. So the question is, a set of solution is prepared using 180 gram of water as a solvent in 10 gram of different non-volute solutes A, B and C. So the relative lowering of vapor pressure in the presence of these solutes are in order. So we have to find the correct order from these four options given below. So let's get to the answer. So the formula for relative lowering in vapor pressure is Pi minus P1 upon EI1 is equal to X2. So where Pi minus P1 upon Pi is equal to relative lowering in vapor pressure, and X2 is the mole fraction of solute, and where we can also write X2 as, okay, so X2 we can also write it as N2 upon N plus N2. Okay, you can also write N plus okay, so X2 is equal to N2 upon N2. So relative lowering in vapor pressure of A is equal to 10 by 100 upon 180 upon 80 plus 10 by 100. So which is equal to 0.1 upon 10.1. So we can convert it into fraction, which is equal to 1 upon 101. So same goes with B. From here, the relative lowering in vapor pressure of B is equal to 10 upon 200 upon 180 by 18 plus 10 by 200. So if we solve this, we will get 0.05 upon 10.05. So we have converted into fraction again, and relative lowering in vapor pressure of C is as follow: 10 upon 10,000 upon 180 upon 18 plus 10 upon 10,000. So it will give us 10 raised to power minus 4. So this A is greater than B and B is greater than C. So this is the correct order. Thank you.